Good morning, fellow foodies. Here's a new movie from our station. What are we going to talk about? Well, street food has always been near and dear to my heart and stomach. And we'll tell you the top 10 reasons why eating street food every day is good for your health. You did hear that correctly. Before we get into the tasty details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss our next foodie trip. So, are you all set? Let's get going. Number 10, it's cheap. Food from the street is cheap. Yes, you don't have to spend a lot of money to enjoy a tasty meal. Did you know that the average price of a meal from street food is only a small part of the price of a meal at a restaurant? Street sellers know that money shouldn't stop anyone from getting a good meal. Number 9, exposure to other cultures. Street food isn't just about getting cheap food, it's also about getting a taste of a different culture. When you eat street food, you can try tastes and meals from many different places and cultures. What a cool thing! Number 8, ingredients that are newer. Did you know that street sellers buy fresh products every day and cook their food right in front of you? Street sellers don't usually keep their food cold for hours or even days like some restaurants do. Because of this, you can almost always be sure that the street food you buy has just been made. Number 7, how much to eat. Most street food is offered in small amounts, sometimes even smaller than what you might normally eat. Smaller amounts make it easier to stick to a healthy diet and keep track of how many calories you're eating. Number 6, it helps your immune system. Many street foods, like garlic, ginger, and peppers, are full of things that help your defense system. Since the Middle Ages, these ingredients have been used to treat illnesses. With street food, you can boost your immune system and eat tasty food at the same time. Number 5, it encourages people to try new things. When you eat street food, you can try meals and tastes that you wouldn't try otherwise. Many of the foods sold by street sellers are unique and can't be found in many places. It keeps things interesting by getting you out of your comfort zone. Number 4, variety in the area. Street food is often a reflection of the area it comes from, and if you can try different meals from different sellers, you can get a feel for the local food and culture. Help your local shops and enjoy a variety of foods. Number 3, gives us power. Street food is often high in energy density and gives you the fuel you need to keep going all day. The carbs and proteins in street food keep you full and give you enough energy to get through the day. Number 2, brings people together. Aside from filling your stomach, eating street food is a great way to meet new people. When you eat street food in public places, you can experience the lively city vibe and talk to locals and tourists. Let's get to know each other through food. Number 1, of course, it tastes good. And last but not least, the main reason we all love street food is that it tastes good, period. From salty snacks to sweet desserts, street food items have unforgettable tastes and smells. To believe it, you have to try it. We hope you liked learning about the top 10 ways that eating street food every day is good for your health. Let's accept this cheap but tasty way of living and make it popular. Don't forget to tell us in the comments part below what your favorite street food is. We really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in our next video about a food adventure.